Hi students, the fourth sum in wave optics. In Young's double slit experiment, the two slits are separated by 0.1 millimeter and they are 0.5 meter from the screen. The wavelength of light used is 5000 angstrom unit. The distance between 7th maxima and 11th minima on the screen is to be found. It's a very important type of numerical problem and also very interesting. Okay. Now we have studied in Young's double slit experiment. The central band or the central fringe will be a maxima, bright on either sides. Okay, left and right or above and below. There will be alternately equally spaced fringes. So from the center, distance of nth dark fringe, that is minima, okay, is, I will take the symbol xn, okay, or xn dash also you can take xn dash. So this is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. This is for odd multiples of lambda d by small d. This is the expression. So dark fringe corresponds to minima. So what is the order of the minima given here is 11. So n is equal to 11, is it not? So I will take therefore x nth dark, okay, so this is dash is equal to 2 into 11 minus 1, okay, 2 into 11 minus 1 divided by 2 into lambda d by small d, or xn dash is equal to 2 into 11 is 22. 22 minus 1 is 21. So this is equal to 21 by 2. Okay, 21 by 2. So this is 21 into lambda d divided by 2 small d. So this is equation 1. So xn dash is the distance of the 11th minima from the center. Now the next one is distance of nth bright, okay, nth bright fringe condition. So what is the condition? It is given by xn. For this I will use the symbol xn. So this is equal to n lambda d by d, n lambda d by d. So what is the value of n here for the maximum? What is the order? It is 7th maxima. So here n is equal to what? That is 7. So here x n is equal to, instead of n I will write 7. So 7 times lambda d by d. Now this I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So that 7 2s are 14 lambda d divided by 2d, and this is equation 2. Why I have multiplied by 2 is to keep the same denominator for the dark as well as the bright fringe. Okay, so here also 2d, here also 2d. That is our wish only. Okay, mathematical calculation also we can substitute, no problem. So my dear students, we have got the two conditions. The equation 1 is the condition. Okay, what is that equation? It is the distance of the 11th minima from the center, and equation 2 gives the distance of the 7th maxima from the center. This distance between the 7th maxima and 11th minima only is asked. Okay, therefore delta x is equal to, so delta x is the distance between the 7th maxima and the 11th minima. So this must be equal to xn dash, okay, x 11 dash minus x7. Okay. So this difference. So it is 21 lambda d by 2d. So this is equal to 21 lambda d divided by 2d minus 14 lambda d. So this is 14 lambda into d divided by 2d. Okay, therefore delta x is equal to 21 minus 14 is 7. So this is 7 lambda d divided by 2d. Okay, now we will multiply the given values. So lambda is given as 5000 angstrom unit, isn't it? That is 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. And capital D is the distance of the screen, that is 0.5 meter. And small d is the distance between the two coherent sources. So the slits are separated by 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 is 10 power minus 1. Millimeter is 10 power minus 3. So it is 10 power minus 4 meter. So I am going to substitute here. Okay, substitute here. 7 into 5000 angstrom unit is 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter into 0.5 meter. So this is d is 0.5 divided by 2 into, okay, 2 into, now 0.1 millimeter, 0.1, so this is 0.1 into millimeter is 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, now we will multiply. So this is equal to, here 0.5 divided by 0.1, is it not? So it is 5 by 1, 5 by 1. So this is 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. So this is 25 into 7 divided by 2 into, here 10 power minus 7 is in the numerator, into 10 power minus 3 comes up as 10 power 3. So 25 into 7 is 175, is it not? Therefore, delta x is equal to 175. So 75, that is 25 into 7 divided by 2. So this is divided by 2 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 3 is 10 power minus 4. So this is 10 power minus 4. So this is now equal to 175 divided by 2. So this is 8 2s are 16. So remainder 1. 7 2s are 14. 0.5, 87.5 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, this 10 power minus 4 can be adjusted like 8.75. 8.75 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Therefore, delta x is equal to 8.75 millimeter. This is the required answer. Okay, students. So, which of the options is correct? A, not correct. B, not correct. C, that is the correct answer. 8.75 millimeter. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay. This type of problem, many are given for practice in the competitive exam textbooks. And definitely this type of problem will meet you in the competitive exams like the JEE and the NEET. Practice well and you will be successful. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.